Do you know English speaking practice is very important to become fluent in English speaking? And Speakify app exactly does this. Speakify app makes you to practice speaking part so that you can become fluent very fast. Now in the app you can practice directly by calling co-learners and talk with them in English so that your everyday practice is happening. You can complete 30 minutes daily free of cost, connect with co-learner, talk to them in English, and also you get reward if you complete 20 minutes daily. You can complete levels as well. By completing levels you will find very interesting topic where you can talk in English and improve your pronunciation. You go to explore section and also enroll yourself in Speakify events, which is a group session. You can get expert advice and talk in the group with other co-learners. You can see your progress. You can find in profile more information and refer to your friends if you want to earn more coins. So keep practicing in Speakify app and be fluent fast.